Horse Rider.
Sarah was a cheerful little girl who loved spending time outdoors. Fresh air, warm sunshine, and wide open spaces always filled her heart with happiness. But out of all the things she loved, there was one that was extra special: riding her horse. Nothing made her smile more. Every week, Sarah looked forward to one very special day, Saturday. Not because there was no school, but because Saturday usually meant a trip to the riding stable. It was her favorite place in the world, a place filled with gentle horses, friendly smiles, and wonderful adventures. One beautiful Saturday morning, golden sunshine quietly slipped through the curtains and filled Sarah's bedroom with a soft, warm glow. Outside, little birds welcomed the new day with cheerful songs. The world seemed peaceful. Everything felt fresh. Everything felt full of possibilities. Sarah slowly opened her eyes. She stretched her arms. A sleepy smile appeared on her face. Then, almost instantly, she remembered. It's Saturday. In one quick movement, she jumped out of bed. All the sleepiness disappeared. She hurried to the window and gently pulled the curtain aside. Outside, the sky was bright blue. Only a few soft white clouds floated peacefully overhead. The sun was already shining. It looked like the perfect day. Today would be a perfect day to ride my horse. The thought alone made her heart beat a little faster. She could already imagine the gentle sound of hooves walking along the quiet trails. She could almost feel the cool breeze brushing against her face, and she couldn't help smiling. Without wasting another second, Sarah hurried downstairs. The wonderful smell of warm pancakes and freshly toasted bread filled the house. It smelled like a happy Saturday morning. In the kitchen, her mother was preparing breakfast. She looked up and smiled the moment she saw Sarah. "Good morning, Mommy." "Good morning, sweetheart. Did you sleep well?" "I sure did." They sat together at the kitchen table. The room was filled with warmth. The soft morning sunshine, the delicious breakfast, the quiet conversation. It was one of those simple family moments that become beautiful memories. But even while eating, Sarah's thoughts kept wandering. Not to pancakes, not to toast, not even to her orange juice. She was thinking about only one thing: her horse. She pictured its gentle eyes, its soft coat, its friendly welcome every Saturday. Just imagining it made her smile. Finally, she looked at her mother. Her voice was polite, hopeful, and filled with excitement. "Can I ride my horse, Mommy?" Sarah waited for the answer.
Sarah looked at her mother with hopeful eyes. She didn't say another word. She simply waited. Sometimes a few quiet seconds can feel like forever when you're waiting for something you truly love. Her mother couldn't help smiling. She already knew exactly what Sarah was hoping for. After all, she had seen that same sparkle in her daughter's eyes every single Saturday. Sarah loved riding her horse more than almost anything. She always treated it with kindness. She brushed its beautiful coat with gentle hands. She spoke to it with a soft, caring voice. And after every riding lesson, she never forgot to thank her instructor. Her mother loved seeing how responsible and kind Sarah had become. Before answering, her mother glanced out the kitchen window. The sunshine was warm. The sky was clear. A gentle breeze moved through the trees. It was one of those perfect mornings that seemed made for riding. "Okay, honey. Get ready to go." For just a second, Sarah couldn't believe what she had heard. Her eyes grew wide. Her smile became brighter than the morning sunshine. "Really?" "Yes." "Thank you, Mommy." Without thinking twice, Sarah wrapped her little arms around her mother and gave her a quick, happy hug. It was a hug filled with excitement, gratitude, and love. Then she hurried toward the stairs. Halfway up, she turned around with the biggest smile on her face. "I'll be ready in just a minute." Up the stairs she went, step after step, almost skipping, almost dancing. She could hardly wait to see her best four-legged friend again. As soon as she entered her bedroom, she whispered softly to herself, "I can't wait to see my horse." She walked over to her dresser and opened the top drawer. Everything inside was neat and tidy. She carefully chose her favorite riding clothes. First, she picked up her soft pink socks. She sat on the edge of the bed and pulled them on, 1 foot at a time. Nice and cozy. Next, she reached for her favorite pink sneakers. She slipped her feet inside, then carefully tied each shoelace into perfect little bows. She looked down proudly. Air! Perfect! Then she walked toward the small hook beside her bedroom door. Hanging there was something she always wore on sunny riding days, her favorite pink hat. She gently lifted it from the hook, turned it over in her hands, and smiled. "This will keep the sun out of my eyes." She held the hat carefully instead of putting it on right away. There was still one last thing to do. Before leaving, Sarah looked around her bedroom. She wanted everything neat, just the way she liked it. She straightened her blanket. She pushed her chair back under the desk. She looked around one more time. Everything was perfect. Everything was ready. Now, I'm ready. With her pink hat in her hands and happiness in her heart, Sarah hurried downstairs. She had no idea that the best part of her Saturday was only beginning.
Holding her favorite pink hat, Sarah happily skipped downstairs. Every step brought her 1 step closer to her horse, 1 step closer to another beautiful Saturday adventure. When she reached the kitchen, her mother was placing a few things into a small travel bag. She always liked to be prepared, especially for a day outdoors.
"Don't forget your water bottle." "I won't." Sarah quickly picked it up. She held it carefully in one hand while her pink hat rested in the other. Everything she needed was finally ready. She walked toward the front door, her heart filled with excitement. Before stepping outside, she turned back toward her mother. "I'm going to wait in the car." "Okay. I'll be there in just a minute." "No problem." She opened the front door. Immediately, a fresh morning breeze greeted her. The warm sunshine touched her face. The clean air smelled of flowers, green grass, and the beginning of a wonderful day. Sarah closed her eyes for just a moment and smiled. As she walked toward the family car, her imagination began painting beautiful pictures. She imagined riding slowly along quiet country trails. She imagined hearing the gentle rhythm of her horse's footsteps. Clip, clop, clip, clop. Soft, steady, and peaceful. She imagined the cool breeze brushing through her hair, the warm sunshine on her shoulders, the feeling of freedom that only horseback riding could bring. A few moments later, Sarah reached the car. She opened the front passenger door. Climb, step, sit. She settled comfortably into the seat. Everything around her felt exciting. She looked through the windshield toward the road ahead. In her mind, the journey had already begun. She imagined the stable, the green fields, the wooden fences, and most of all, her horse, waiting patiently. "I wonder if it remembers me," she smiled before answering her own question. Deep inside, she already knew. Every Saturday, her horse greeted her with gentle eyes, a friendly little nudge, and a calm, welcoming spirit. It was almost as if the horse knew its favorite little rider had returned.
Just thinking about it made Sarah's heart feel warm. She looked down at the pink hat, still resting in her hands. Carefully, she placed it on her head. She adjusted it gently until it fit perfectly. Then she looked into the small mirror above the seat. Ready. One more thing. Something very important. Just as her mother had taught her. Sarah reached across and pulled the seatbelt. Click. She smiled proudly. Safety first, always. Outside, she heard the front door opening. Her mother was coming. The adventure was finally about to begin.
A few moments later, the front door opened. Sarah looked through the windshield and smiled. Her mother was walking toward the car with the keys in her hand. The warm morning sunshine followed her every step. She opened the driver's door and climbed inside. The familiar sound of the door closing made everything feel real. This wasn't just a dream anymore. They were really going. Her mother looked at Sarah and couldn't help smiling. Sarah's bright eyes, her happy face, and her perfectly placed pink hat said everything. Someone looks excited. A happy, carefree laugh filled the car. I've been excited all morning. I can see that. For a brief moment, they looked at each other and smiled. Sometimes you don't need many words. A smile can say everything. Her mother placed the key into the ignition. The engine came to life with a soft hum. She gently rested both hands on the steering wheel. Then she turned toward Sarah. Ready for another wonderful Saturday? Sarah's smile grew even bigger. If it had been possible, she would have smiled even wider. More than ready. Slowly, the family car rolled down the driveway. The morning sun painted everything with a beautiful golden light. Trees gently swayed in the cool breeze. Birds continued singing their cheerful morning songs. The whole world seemed to be celebrating the beginning of a perfect Saturday. Sarah looked out the window. Her sparkling eyes followed every tree, every flower, every passing house. But her thoughts were already somewhere else. She imagined the stable, the smell of fresh hay, the quiet sound of horses breathing, the gentle clip-clop of hooves against the ground, and the happy moment when her horse would see her once again. She could almost picture those kind, gentle eyes, that friendly little nudge, that silent welcome that made her feel as though her horse had been waiting just for her. The journey had only just begun. Yet somehow Sarah already felt completely happy. Because happiness isn't always about reaching the destination. Sometimes it's found in the excitement before the adventure even begins. Every Saturday became another beautiful memory. Not simply because Sarah loved riding horses, but because those Saturdays were filled with laughter, with family, with fresh air, with quiet moments, and with doing something she truly loved. As the car disappeared down the peaceful road, Sarah rested comfortably in her seat, watching the world pass gently by. Her heart was light. Her smile never faded. She knew that another wonderful adventure was waiting, just around the next turn. Sometimes the happiest days don't begin when we arrive. They begin the moment we have something beautiful to look forward to. And for Sarah, every ride was more than a horseback lesson. It was a journey filled with sunshine, gratitude, and unforgettable memories.